we are under somebody's private property. We cannot create nuisance over here. The minute somebody picks up the phone purposefully, somebody might be forced to do that so that we are broken, okay? That is why police is there on campus, so that we cannot assemble anywhere. We cannot assemble here also. But it's just that we got a lot of friends here, so we can. Do not take over advantage of this. Any nuisance created here will cause everybody to move out. And we have no other place to go. Secondly, the major breakthrough that we have is there is one document on the DP website that states that the fee structure is batch. Okay, we are yet to go through it closely. A printout will come, I will go through it. After that, everybody marches towards the college, stands there peacefully. No morcha, no banner, nothing. No slogans and nothing, okay? Everybody stands there quietly. Does everybody promise me to remain silent over there? Yes. Nobody disturbs traffic. Nobody disturbs public movement. Nobody creates a nuisance there. As long as we don't do that, nobody has the balls to touch us. Remember that. Nobody can touch us unless we create nuisance. There is no reason. You can always occupy footpaths. Okay? Stand in your own groups. Nobody from today till this ends moves alone. Because they're going to pinpoint people. They're going to say ki, chalo come here, sign one letter saying that Prasad Gupta is creating nuisance. Once that is signed, I am broken, I am fucked is okay. But this all ends. Okay? Everybody has to be careful. Nobody walks singly. Everybody walks in groups of 7, 8, so that nobody is singly picked. I want everybody to remain silent. Let the document come. Once the documents come, we all march towards the college. We stand there silently. 5 people, the same 5 people go inside, talk. If they say this is bullshit, we scream and we move on.
What about NSC?
We'll see. We don't need the NSC to do all that. We can always walk around the college, our college. So TT process for the academic year 2006-07. There is article number 7.2. I'm reading it out to you. The title is Fees Prescribed. Can I have silence? Fees prescribed in unaided engineering colleges applies to our college. The interim fee structure for unaided engineering colleges approved by the Shikshan Shulka Samiti will be made available on a certain web address. Unaided engineering colleges may have submitted their proposals for revision in fees to Shikshan Shulka Samiti. Final decision. Cops being involved, it was a little shattered. We have to understand this. People are working. Don't think anybody is sitting. You have seen us move all around. We are working day and night for you. Trust me. I slept yesterday at 11:30. I got up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I don't want credit for this. I want understanding. I just want your support. Do not get bored, guys. Nothing happens in 2 days. Nothing has ever stood out in 2 days. You guys get bored. You guys say we don't have anything to do. It is going to be very difficult for us. Please learn to manage yourselves. Alright? Please have patience. आना पड़ेगा, हफ्ता आना पड़ेगा. Ultimately 22,000 बच रहे हैं तो क्या गया उसमें? Will everybody support? Yes. Will everybody come daily if you have to come and stand like this? Yes. Remember, we will not let anybody get beaten. Remember that I'll be the person to stand if somebody comes. And don't stand up. Remember, we are not standing here because who can pay and who cannot pay. Is it worth paying? No. That is the question. Don't think about your own self. There are people who are on student loans, people whose parents have broken their fixed deposits for this. We have to give this a humanitarian cause. Don't be selfish. Even I can pay. Should I go there and pay? No. All this will stop here. Trust me. They are going to try to put some of us down. We are doing this. I'm standing here in a public place talking to you. It does take falls. Remember that. If somebody is willing to do this for you, can you not wait here 6 hours daily? Yes. I don't want to see the ground level going down. Please, I beg of you. So, let us do our best. Let us go till the end. The bottom line is how many of you head to toe. That is why you did what you did today. This time we apply reverse pressure. Let's not bow down. If we do anything, let's stay back to right.